How to fix call forwarding connection problem or invalid MMI code. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna fix your call forwarding connection problem or invalid MMI code problem. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video, and make sure to watch this video till the end. But before doing that, also make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe option. So first thing first, I want you to launch your phone app. After launching it, you should be just tap on the keypad, and here the first method is you just need to type ##21 and hash and tap on this call button, and you can see it says MMI code started, call forwarding connection problem or invalid MMI code. If this method doesn't work, you may just call 413 star 413. You just need to type these and call, and the customer service will be able to reach out to you. So the next thing is I want you to go to the top at the three dot and tap on settings. After tapping on settings, I want you to tap on supplementary services and look up for call forwarding. Wait for it to be loaded. After that, just tap on the theme that you want to fix the issue from, and just like that, you can fix your call forwarding connection problem or invalid MMI code. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.